Less than 15K tablet that can do everything you need. Here's the Redmi Pad 2 4G. It can fit any kind of lifestyle. The Binge Watcher. Ikaw nga ba yung mahilig mag-K-drama, manood ng teleserye, movies? Meron siyang 11-inch screen, 2.5K resolution, 90Hz refresh rate. This tablet gives you a super clear, high-def, and smooth viewing experience. The Go-Getter. Pwede mo tong gamitin student ka man or employee, write down your notes, do your planning, brainstorm here, and you can also create, edit, draw, walang lag, dun sa mga pag-click mo ng items, pag-drawing mo. Depende na lang kung mas komportable kayo na kamay ang gamit or if you want to use a stylus. The first 300 buyers will get a free stylus, the Redmi Smart Pen, the social media junkie. Content creator or casual viewer, you can use this to scroll on social media on a bigger screen, edit your content here, and listen to your favorite songs, The Hustler. Sobrang dami mo bang ginagawa and parati kang on the go? This has a 4G LTE mobile data connectivity and a battery life of 9,000 mAh. Available siya in 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. Kung gusto mo naman ng mas mabilis, mas mataas na RAM, we have an 8GB RAM with 256GB storage. Kaya add to cart na itong Redmi Pad 2 4G this 6/6 sale.